Once you've covered your label up, then you want to take your iron. Remember that it needs to have steam in the iron. You want to just place the iron over the label and keep it there for about 20 seconds. You don't need to move the iron back and forth. If you do that, it can stretch the label out of shape. So again, just cover up the label and use your watch, your phone, whatever, or just count until you've left that on there for about 20 seconds. Okay, take that off, and then don't check to see if the label is stuck at this point. You need to let this cool down, because right now when it's so hot, you actually could pull it off again. So let it cool down. And then once it's completely cool, you should be able to go back and just lightly test on the corners to make sure that it is stuck. After that, go back and clean up any threads that have gotten caught or looped or loose. On both sides, check that to make sure that you've got all the threads cut off, I should say. Okay, and then you actually are finished. The utensils themselves will be put in when we give these back to the good pencil company. And again, the way this works is it just folds up, rolls over. You take the tie it, and you are good to go. You've got your utensil holder. Okay, so that's what we are interested in having you do, and we hope it's something that you can catch on to and do quickly. As we've mentioned before, it is faster if you do one step for all of your projects at a time. So if you're doing 8 projects, make 8 ties at one step. If you're putting on the labels, put the labels on all 8 projects at one time. Okay, rather than doing one step, going to the iron, going to your sewing machine, going back to something else. Try to do it. It's called unit sewing, where you sew all of one unit and then you go on to the next part of a unit. All right, good luck, and let me know if you have questions.